Hey folks, Wayne Jennings here along with Shawn Tucker for another winter hike here in southwestern Ontario. Where are we today, Shawn?
We're in the town of Varna at the Varna Nature Trails, and we're going to be taking a little walk through the Mavis and Taylor Trails today.
All right, looking forward to it.
Absolutely.
So far, looks very nice. These are obviously planted.
Yes.
Because they're in such straight lines here.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, and it's all, I don't know how many trees have been planted in this area. I think it's literally thousands.
Oh, I would think so.
Yeah, absolutely.
Really nice to be walking through this evergreen forest. Got some white pine, looks like some fir tree. I saw some spruce back there. Nice to see the greenery in the winter.
Yes. Picks up the spirits, doesn't it?
It does, it really does.
The thing I like about this trail is that there's two distinct parts. So we're in the pine section, and then we'll get to the deciduous tree section, and it's almost like a break, pine to deciduous. First shot of the day. There you go. Not bad. Yeah, so we've just left the pine forest and now we're heading to the deciduous forest, and there's a bridge over this creek, and we'll get into our deciduous forest.
Oh, is that a crow or a raven?
I think we got some crows and we got some squirrels yelling at us. What are we doing in their woods?
Yeah. Oh, big gucky there.
Yes.
Well, we're still in a forest here, but it's really bright now that we've left that evergreen forest behind. Without the leaves out here, it's really bright.
Yeah, and it's as I say, it's very popular in the fall, especially with as the leaves turn color. You can sort of see on the ground a lot of maple leaves and stuff. It'll be quite nice in the fall. That's a bit steep. Do be careful. Remember, down you go faster, but
You wish you had your poles that you left up here?
yeah.
Want me to
sometimes
bring
you
him? Should I bring him down when I come?
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
Okay.
Sometimes thinking ahead is a good idea.
Near the far end of this trail, there's an overlook that looks down on the Bayfield River here.
Yes, and it's a kind of a really nice river. Obviously it goes into Bayfield, and there's a very popular spot for fishing. Believe it or not, there's salmon, Chinook salmon, steelhead, tons of fishing, even sometimes northern pike, and just there's some access areas to this river for canoeing as well. Very, very popular.
One of the highlights of this trek is this little babbling brook we saw from up above. So we made our way down, and as you can see, it's very scenic. Great place to get some photographs. That's a nice babbling brook, isn't it, Shawn?
Absolutely. It's a really nice this time of the year, especially with all the runoff of from the winter. We got these nice babbling brooks, a lot of good water flow. It's really nice, soothing.
Did you get some good photos?
Got some great photos. Let me show you.
Well, Shawn, this was a good choice for a hiking trail. I really enjoyed it here.
Yeah, it was, wish we had some sun, but you know what? The views were great. The river along the river was excellent. Beautiful day for a hike.